Mrs. Johnson.
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yes, I did. The child is now 18. I would like to be relieved of the child support payments.
Continue.
Because I've fulfilled my obligations in the amicable split that we had. So since the child is 18, I would like to be...
Courtroom with pain in her voice, sharing how her son has gone 3 long years without receiving a single dime from his father. No support, no presence, only empty promises. Now, she's demanding answers and seeking justice. But the question remains, what is a father's true responsibility?
Ma'am, I don't know what kind of Afrocentrickery she's trying to run up in here, but it costs money to raise a child. I understand he's 18, but he's handicapped. He's special.
Okay, so now we're getting to the meat of it, because that's not what she just presented to me.
Well,
She
she's
just
acting
presented
special
it.
right now because she don't want to
Well,
pay
sir,
this money.
let's not do name calling. That's not nice.
I didn't call her no names, ma'am. I'm just saying she's acting special.
Appearing in court. His wife shows up. But why? She isn't the parent, yet she pushes herself into the middle of the legal battle. While Damien is away overseas building bridges, his own child is left behind without support. The judge isn't impressed, and the mother is more than ready to fight back.
Currently, my bills are running about $1,800 a month. I have a garage. Obviously, by my dress and appearance today, I'm a simple man. But I make a clean living and do what I have to do. But I can only fix so many cars a day and have to put...
That he earns $14,000 a year, yet hasn't paid a single cent for his child. While showing off expensive rings and boasting about overseas projects, the mother delivers a shocking revelation. He cheated on her with the very woman now sitting beside him. Emotions erupt, and the truth begins to unravel.
Monthly basis.
He has rehabilitation.
Okay.
He also has some vocational training skills to help him. We're trying to get him out there on his own a little bit.
Okay.
And he also has a speech therapist that comes in once a week also to help him out.
Okay. And other than that, is he, does he have any other disabilities or anything?
Not really, other than, her not being around ever.
Okay.
That's the only disability.
Tempers rise and insults are hurled, but the judge quickly shuts it down. This isn't therapy. Judge Chenet reminds them, this is a courtroom. Both women are ordered to stop the taunts and focus on cooperation. The question remains, can they put betrayal aside for the sake of the
Care of your adult child who's disabled? Well, has special needs?
Your Honor,
Make this good.
I'm going to make this good. Due to the fact that I have been around, I do contribute, I am there. My job takes me all over the world. Not only I'm an educator, but I also have another son as well.
The judge delivers a shocking twist by exposing the truth about his income, a revelation that leaves no room to hide. In doing so, the wife unknowingly seals her husband's fate. He must now pay child support. But as the insult continued to fly, a deeper bitterness surfaces, raising the question, was this battle fueled by responsibility or by jealousy all along?
Need a little reprieve because there are certain things that I need to do with cash. Certain investments I want to make.
When I speak, you stop talking, okay?
Sure.
You're doing a whole lot of talking and you're not saying anything, okay? Your child has needs that this man pays for. Rehab alone is $400 a month. Is this an expense that a doctor has told you that's going to be ongoing in the future?
Fooled, Damon was legally served and chose not to appear, a decision that backfired. Now is in default, and the court rules in the mother's favor. Still, his wife tries to defend him, but the judge finally puts an end to her interference.
Your child support is based on your annual income of $30,000 a year, right?
That is correct.
How much are you making now?
Probably a little more over 10,000.
Okay.
Over that.
You know what? Let me ask him, because I don't think some of the information you're giving me is very truthful. Sir, How
Yes,
much
ma'am.
money does she make a year that you know of?
When we first did the situation, she was making 30.
Precise calculations. The judge sets child support based on a net income of $6,525. The wife tries to step in and answer about his health insurance as well, but the judge cuts her off, making it clear the message is for him, and he'll have to face it once he's finished building his so-called very important bridge.
It's only about 42,000.
You make
But
40.
see, he negates the six.
No,
Okay.
no, ma'am, no, ma'am. You made more money, and you tried to. First of all, I feel offended that you came into my courtroom and tried to downplay what the situation was, what it was in the first place. You made it appear as though this child turned 18 and your child support should naturally terminate. That's not what's going on. Your child has special needs that this man has been.
Is officially locked in at $125.30 a month. Yet the wife continues to argue that he's a good father, insisting he sends money and makes calls. The mother fires back, saying he never shows up. The judge listens carefully, unconvinced, and left to decide who's really telling the truth.
A $12,000 raise, in a sense, of salary.
Period of time.
And he, excuse me?
See, that's the reason I got
Even
rid of
over
her
a
the
period of
first time.
time. Today, you make more money. Ma'am, so you said you make $42,000 a year. According to my calculation, that's about $3,500 for gross a month. That puts your net resources at $2,948.13. Who carries the health insurance on the child?
That would be me.
Judge sets a record straight. Occasional gifts don't count as child support. Damon's absence speaks louder than any excuses, and the court has ruled. As his wife walks out, she's reminded that this child is a family too. The courtroom falls silent. Justice has been served, but at what cost? Was this ruling fair? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real courtroom drama.